Hey bestie, waiting for the right time to glow up is a trap. If it's not today, it might never happen. So decide which version of yourself you want to start becoming and do it today. In this video, I'm covering 10 glow up tips from clear skin and white teeth, and even body care, and it's something you can start in the next 24 hours. So join me in this challenge. Let's glow up together and become the surprise that shows up in 2026. Tip 1. Clear skin. Okay babe, listen. The very first thing you need to do in the morning is stop touching your face. I know it's a habit. You're scrolling on your phone, you're thinking, you're stressed, and boom, your hand is on your cheek. But your hands carry oils and bacteria, and every little touch is basically sending a VIP invite to breakouts. Before you even think about skincare, brush your teeth first. This sounds random, but toothpaste splashes, spit drops, and mouthwash mist get on your face when you brush, and if you wash your face first, you're just putting toothpaste residue back on your skin. So brush, rinse, spit. Also, girl, keep your hair away from your face. Hair products are sneaky oils, gels, leave-in sprays. They don't belong anywhere near your skin. Tie it up, clip it back, whatever you gotta do. If your bangs are dragging across your forehead all day, don't blame your skincare. Blame your hair. Now that your face is ready, wash it with a gentle cleanser. Cleansers shouldn't sting if your skin feels like it's auditioning for a fire commercial. It's too strong. After rinsing, pat dry with a clean towel. And treat your skin like a soft little flower. Then, toner to balance your skin, moisturizer to keep it hydrated, and finally, sunscreen. Even if you're just sitting inside scrolling TikTok. Sun damage does not care if you're not going outside, and being a future hot granny starts today. Tip 2. Teeth whitening and fresh breath. Bestie. Teeth whitening is not just something influencers casually wake up with. There are actual habits behind it. Start with the basics. Brush twice a day for 2-3 minutes. And yes, really time yourself. 2 minutes feels like forever until you do it properly. Go gentle circles across your gums. And don't forget your secret weapon, brush your tongue. That's where most of the bad breath hides, and it will change your life. If you want a natural glow-up step, try coconut oil pulling. You basically swish coconut oil in your mouth like mouthwash for a few minutes, then spit it out. Just don't swallow it. Now let's be honest. If you're trying to actually whiten your teeth and not just pretend, you need a product with at least 6% hydrogen peroxide. Anything under that? It's basically scented toothpaste with dreams. A lot of over-the-counter whitening products are cute but useless. They make you feel like you're doing something while doing nothing, literally. And let's talk stains. The world is unfair, because all the fun things stain your teeth. Coffee, tea, red wine, even dark sauces and foods. If you've freshly whitened your teeth for an event, sip your morning coffee through a straw. If you want a DIY route, here's a home remedy. Coconut oil, a little baking soda, and a drop or two of peppermint oil if you want that fresh breath moment. Mix it into a paste and brush gently. But listen, only use a small amount, and only for a few days. Sensitivity is real. Tip 3. Body odor plus shower routine. Bestie, we're not leaving the house smelling like we fought a dragon and lost. We're not doing that. Start with a good shower, and I don't mean a rushed rinse and hope for the best. Use a fresh-smelling body wash that makes you feel like an actual goddess. Citrusy scents? You smell like a clean morning. Vanilla or coconut? Warm, feminine, cozy main character vibes. Now, shaving this is where people go wrong. Don't shave on dry skin. Let your skin soak in warm water first. Your hair softens, your pores chill out, and shaving becomes 100x smoother. Then use conditioner or shaving cream. Yes, conditioner works if you don't have shaving cream. It's gentler, it glides, and you won't feel like you're scraping off your first layer of skin. Shave in the direction your hair grows. It's less irritation, fewer bumps, and no angry red dots that make you regret shaving at all. Once you're fresh and smooth, moisturize. Lotion isn't optional. Your skin deserves softness, hydration, and touch me I'm a cloud energy. Tip 4. Smooth hands plus pretty nails. Hands are one of the first things people notice. Start with cuticle oil. It is the underrated queen of hand care. Rub it into your cuticles and massage them gently. Then go in with moisturizer. Don't just clap it on. Massage it into your knuckles, between your fingers, around the nails. Let them feel spoiled. Home remedies? Oh baby, we've got options. Olive oil soak. Warm water plus a few drops of olive oil soak for 5-10 minutes. Sugar plus honey scrub. Mix a tiny bit and scrub softly. Aloe gel keeps hands baby smooth without feeling greasy. Your nails deserve love too. File gently in one direction so you don't split them. When you're done, go for a clear polish or a soft nude shade. It's the effortless pretty girl vibe. You'll be tapping your phone or holding your iced coffee like a hand model in a Pinterest post. Tip 5. Bye, belly bloat. Okay, bestie. You're not shrinking your waist. We're focusing on de-bloating, not losing fat overnight. Start your morning with warm lemon water. It's like a gentle good morning hug for your digestion and helps reduce bloat. Then, walk. Yes, literally just walk. 30 to 40 minutes of steady walking helps move gas and water retention, leaving your stomach flatter and comfier. And here's a major key. Avoid eating after dark. Your digestion slows down, and late-night snacking sticks around like a clingy situationship. If you get hungry, try mint tea or water half the time. Your stomach is bored, not starving. Eat in a calorie deficit, not starving yourself, just being mindful. Food should fuel you, not overload you. Keep carbs lighter for the day, too. They're not evil, but they hold water, especially breads, pastas, and pastries. Stick to lean proteins, veggies, yogurt, and eggs for that clean, calm feeling. Skip soda and salty foods, carbonation bloats you like a balloon, and salt traps water. Do this combo and by nighttime, you'll feel and look noticeably flatter. Tip 6. Jawline hack. Babe, you don't need a surgeon to look snatched, you just need consistency. Start with an ice roller or gua sha to wake your face up and reduce puffiness. Slide upward from chin to ear, slow and steady, and finish with a gentle lymphatic drainage massage downward along the neck. Chewing gum for 5-10 minutes is a mini jaw workout and the easiest one ever. Add some neck stretches because a relaxed neck makes your jawline pop even more. And posture? Oh, bestie. Posture is everything. Even the sharpest jawline disappears if you're sitting like a gremlin. Sit tall, shoulders back. Tip 7. Dark spots and under-eye circles. Dark spots and eye bags love to show up uninvited when you're tired, stressed, or doom scrolling at 2 a.m. Start with a cold compress under the eyes. Frozen spoons work too. Puffiness? Gone. Follow with something hydrating. Under-eye cream, aloe, or chilled green tea bags. Your under-eyes need comfort, not punishment. For dark spots, go slow. They fade with consistency. Use niacinamide or vitamin C to even tone over time. If you want to look instantly fresh, dab on a little concealer and keep it light. And the real secret? Sleep and hydration. Tip 8. Girl, your brows and lashes are like the frame to your whole face. If they look good, you look effortlessly put together, even with zero makeup. Start with your brows. Brush them upward, just little gentle strokes. Instantly, you'll see your face lift itself. If you need to trim, only trim the long hairs at the top, and don't reshape your whole brow in a moment of delusion. We've all done it once and lived with the trauma for months. If you want a real full glow up, get them professionally done, threading, waxing, or shaping. One appointment and you'll feel like a new person. Now lashes. Curl them gently, hold for a few seconds, and release. They'll open up your eyes like you slept 10 hours even if you didn't. Then here's the secret sauce. Castor oil or Vaseline at night. Just a tiny bit on a clean spoolie, brush upward, and sleep. It helps moisturize and condition the lashes so they don't break easily. If you want to level up, get an eyelash growth serum. Home remedy? Aloe plus vitamin E. Mix a tiny bit and brush through your brows and lashes before bed. It's hydrating and won't burn your eyes. You'll wake up looking rested and soft. Let me know in the comments which tip you tried and how it worked for you. I want to hear all about your glow-up journey. Can't wait to see you in the next video.